Well, this is Richard C. Wilson, founder of the Family Office Club company from Singapore. I wrote down some criteria that almost all of my $100 million plus net worth clients are looking for, and I wanted to share that with you here. We just got done hosting our workshop inside of the Raffles Hotel here behind me. One of the things, they want to invest in white space, anomaly deals only. They don't want average deals. They want deals that look like everything else they're seeing. They don't invest in the top 0.1% of deals that could possibly be invested in. The other thing that our investors are asking for are things where they're focusing their time in a white space, where there's not a lot of competition and there's a lot of opportunity because it's not crowded or commoditized yet. The other thing is that they're hard workers. They move very fast. They never stop moving, and they like to work with other people that think the same and act the same. And the last other things a couple of things I wanted to mention, they like hard collateral assets. They like income-based investments. They like things that are local to them and things that can do diligence easily. And they like high conviction, long-term committed teams and strategies. The more you can keep these things in mind, the more you can close deals with centimillionaires. If you want to get access to the type of deal flow we originate, $400 million plus net worth families and the ultra wealthy, please visit cintamillionaires.com. That's Cinta with an I, millionaires.com. Thank you.